Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert a video to audio file in Android smartphone. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and also visit my Android tutorial playlist of this channel to see more of these tutorial videos. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, in order to convert the video to the audio, first of all you have to go to the Google. Click on this Google icon and here you have to type video to MP3. Here we get a suggestion here and you have to click on the first link here, free convert. You can freely convert your video to MP3 here. And after you click on that, you have to choose a file. The maximum file that you can choose is of 1 GB. And if you have a file of more than 1 GB, then you have to sign up in order to convert that to the audio file. So here you have to choose this option, choose files. So there's now a bunch of options here, like from device means that if you have saved a file already in your mobile phone, you can convert that into MP3, or you can choose it from the Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive. And if you have the video link, you can go for this from URL. You can type in the link here and then click on submit. You can also type multiple video links here. It will convert your video to the audio. But here I have already saved a video in my mobile Android smartphone, so I will go back and choose file, and here I will choose the media pickup. If you can record through camera, you can also make a video and post it here. Here I'm choosing the media picker, and after you go to the media picker, you can go to gallery. So guys, here I have a file here. You just have to select this option, select the video which you want to convert it to MP3, and then click on done option here. And now here you can see I have the video here and of MP4 format, and you just have to click on this convert option here. You can also add multiple files if you want. So it will take a while to upload your video and it will take a while to convert it to MP3. So guys, here we have finished uploading and now it's converting my video to MP3 here after the upload. And here guys, we have done that. So now guys, our file is get converted now. Now you just have to download that file. Now you just have to open this file. And here guys, you can
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you
listen to your audio file. You can also access your audio file from this. You just have to go to the file. You just have to go to the audio files here, and here you have saved this audio here. Click on that.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show
it will open up the audio here. So in this way guys, you can convert your video file to audio file in Android smartphone. So I hope you like my video. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of future videos. So thank you for watching.